Hello friends! Welcome to a new video. Today I'm sharing an amazing recipe for a delicious, healthy, and balanced lunch: peas, corn, and a fresh cucumber and avocado salad. This is Nutri-Intelligence. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is soak or activate the peas. I'm using 250g, half a package, just enough for today's lunch. You can soak them the night before or early in the morning. You'll notice they'll have expanded in size, which makes them easier to cook and helps your body absorb their nutrients better. Rinse them thoroughly, and they're ready to go. These legumes are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, rich in fiber and minerals like iron and magnesium, making them an excellent addition to our diet. Next, we'll make a base seasoning. Here, I have 1 small onion, diced. Heat a pot and add a drizzle of your favorite natural oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can also add garlic and tomato. Let the onion brown, and if it starts to dry out, add a splash of water. Toss in some bay leaves, let it cook until fragrant, then add the cleaned peas. Finally, cover everything with cold water, stir, and place the lid on. Starting with cold water is called expansion cooking. This method allows the flavors of the ingredients to infuse into the liquid during cooking. It's perfect for stews, soups, and refreshing drinks. Did you know this super useful tip? After 30 minutes, we're almost done. Add pink salt or sea salt and a bit of cumin. This spice gives the dish a unique flavor. Let it cook for another 10 minutes, then turn off the heat and let it rest. We'll pair this lunch with corn. Boil it in hot water with a pinch of salt for about 10 minutes until soft. Cooking it in hot water rather than cold is called concentration cooking. This method seals the food, locking in its juices, flavors, and nutrients, preventing them from dissolving in the liquid. It's ideal for quick cooking methods like vegetables. To complement, we'll make a classic cucumber and avocado salad. Cucumber is super refreshing and crunchy, while avocado adds that unbeatable creaminess. Add a pinch of pink salt and a squeeze of lemon juice, and mix it all together. Remember, avocado is rich in healthy fats, excellent for your heart and skin, and packed with vitamin E, K, and potassium. Cucumber has high water content, is low in calories, and provides vitamin C, which, combined with lemon, strengthens our immune system. Our peas are now perfectly cooked, soft and creamy. The aroma filling the house is incredible. Serve them on a plate, pair them with the corn, and add a few spoonfuls of the fresh salad. And there you have it, friends, our healthy lunch for the day. A delicious and nutritious combination that'll keep you energized all day without feeling heavy. Let's taste it. It's amazing. Highly recommended. The mix of flavors is incredible, and I could easily finish this plate. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple recipe. Try it at home and boost your day with a nutritious and tasty meal. This is Nutri-Intelligence. Remember, our immune system is our best defense. See you next time. Here are some other videos you might enjoy.